Assalamu alaikum. Today's moral story is Excuse Me. Let's start. Move, move on, can't you see? I want to pass, shouted the old man in the angry tone, a angry voice. I said, Get out of my way. Are you deaf, children? Screamed the old man as he pushed the children waiting in line for their ice cream. Excuse me, sir, said one boy. If you want to pass, all you have to say is pardon me or excuse me, said the boy. Shame on you, said the ice cream man. A child has to teach you what is the correct manner to talk, said the ice cream man, shaking his head. The old man bent down with tears in his eyes. He hugged the boy and was sorry. No matter how old you are, it is never too late to learn things even from someone younger. Thank you, dear child, the old man said sadly. Then the old man bought ice cream for all the children, and everyone became happy. So, moral of the story is always be polite, even if the person younger than you. Use polite words all the time. Now you can ask these small question, little question to your children. Allah Hafiz.